Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Today we are going to explore what is Shopify Marketplace. Okay, here if you go to the settings of your store, you will see here a markets option. You have to click on it and you will be there, Shopify Markets. Okay, and this is the future of international commerce. With a world of opportunity waiting, you need quick solutions, not more complexity like playing ads on different channels like social media channels like Facebook, Instagram. You don't have to place ads yourself anywhere. You just have to apply for this early access on Shopify Market, streamlines global expansion for merchants of all sizes, making it easier than ever to sell to everyone on the internet. So here we have like everything you need to sell worldwide from a single Shopify store. Simple setup, international selling simplified. It makes very simplified selling internationally, like enter new markets in just a few clicks, all from a new dashboard that goes the heavy lifting for you. Frictionless buying, market specific buying experience, market management tools to power your global growth. Okay, here coming soon, it is a coming soon feature of Shopify, the Shopify markets, and apply today for Shopify markets early access. Get everything you need to sell to anyone on the internet, all from a single store. Feature includes with all Shopify plans like manage how you sell to each market from one place, sell in 133 currencies with Shopify payments, provide local payment options with Shopify payments, sell in up to 20 languages, set up custom domains to optimize for search, smart setting that optimize your market, and here for feature for advanced Shopify and Shopify Plus plans are estimate and collect duty and import taxes at checkout, set custom prices per market with Shopify payments, customize catalog and storefront per market, manage fulfillment locations per market. Transaction fees for international selling is 1.5% duty and import tax fee per transaction. Fee for using local payment methods are included as a part of Shopify payment international payment processing. So here it was Shopify market. You have to simply click on apply for early access here, and yes, success. Thanks for applying. You have applied for early access to Shopify markets. You will be in touch if the store has been selected. There will be some things to credentials and criteria in order to select your store. This is a under development store, so we were just checking that how this process will begin. So here it is, the new upcoming Shopify markets, the upcoming feature of Shopify. Let's stay connected and for upcoming updates, stay tuned with us. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.